everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jenny DIY. Welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to share with you how I make this top with this jeans pants. So I got this jeans from a thrift store and I wanted to use it to make this top. As you can see, I'm cutting out the upper part because I'm going to work with the rest pieces. So I'm going to cut off the upper part, and for the rest I'm going to cut it open. I'm going to cut out all into pieces. And I would say if you want to make this, I would suggest you get a stretch jean. Stretch jeans will be best for this tutorial because I myself am not using stretch jeans. This is jeans without stretch, so it's difficult to work with it, to shape so. But if you are using a non-stretch jean, I would say that you get zip. You get to add zip. Like I could have used it, but I don't have any zip at hand, so I decided to make it like that. So I'm just telling you now, it's better you get zip or you get stretch jeans. So I'm cutting out the pieces. So here are the pieces now. I put it together. I'm going to stitch it together. So here is the look now. Now we are going to create the top with this. So first I'm going to trim out all the excess pieces to make it equal before I now create the top. So to create the top, I'm going to use one of my top that I have. I'm going to use it to create the top. I will place it on the jeans like so, and then fold it on the neckline and armhole, making sure to bring out the neckline and the armhole. Like this. Now as you can see, I leave enough allowance. You can see there, where I'm still going to make adjustment later. So I'm marking it now. So here, that is where I'm going to cut out. Going to make some amendment. I'm trying to smooth the neckline. So now I'm going to fold it again and also place the top. Now I'm going to make it smooth, and I'm also going to shape the top. Now this is what I mean. You see how I mark it? So I'm going to cut it like that, and I will now use it to cut the second. So now I've gotten the shape that I want. So you can see how it looks now. We have the neckline and the armhole. So you can see the both. So now I'm going to fold it on the neckline. I'm going to double fold it and pin it, and now stitch on the both pieces. So here is the look. Next, I'm going to create a sleeve. So to make the sleeve is very simple, like just place the top of the sleeve and you just cut out on the armhole. So I'll do the same thing on the other one. So I'm going to sew the sleeve. So you can see now I've stitched the both sides of the top, and it's now making sense, I would say. So the next thing, I'm going to attach the sleeve. I'm going to pin it together and then sew it. So you can see this sleeve now. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use these remaining pieces to make gather, because I like to add it on the bottom of the top just to give it another look. So it's optional, you can decide anyhow you want to do it. You can decide to add it or not. So yeah, so far this is the look. Now I'm going to attach the pieces. Here is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please do thumbs up if you like it, and also subscribe if you're watching me for the first time. Please subscribe to my channel and check out my other video. Thank you all, thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.